Chick-fil-A.
Girls, are you?
All the way to the Dunkin'
Scenic route. Oh, Bob.
Yeah, that's gonna go on the bloopers.
More stuff, guys.
We're gonna start with it. No. Whoa! Where did that bee come from? Yeah, it's a big old bee.
Ew!
You see it? Huge bee.
What do you sell? What do you sell? For how much? No raspas? No raspas? Okay, we'll be back for our noodles.
Mom!
Welcome to another edition of the Lopez Travel Adventures, heading out to Camp FimFo. It's gonna be an adventure, Mother's Day weekend. See y'all there. To the campsite here at Camp FimFo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so today we're going to the swimming pool and the lake.
And the lake.
We're gonna go caving.
So we're going on the toilet bowl. As you can see, the yellow and green one. We're gonna be trying not to scream. Guys, I'm super scared. Can you hold it on? Oh, go, Bella. Oh my goodness. You lost! Oh, I forgot we're doing that. Oh my God, it's so dark. I'm scared. Oh no, oh no. We missed the hole! Where are we going? Bella, this is the scary part! Imagine the camera wasn't recording. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Well, thanks for watching the slide. Bye.
Oh, look at you. All right. Lonzo, you like it, Lonzo? It's fun? And let it go. Whee!
might stay wild. Basically, heavy, got a club on top. Shorty too bad, got a dangerous smile. On the headline, baby, not just a stop. Pull up clean, no stress on me. Wrist on cold, neck like sea. Boys talk tough, but they fold on beat. I don't play fair, just play elite. Late night text like, where you at? Told her on the way, I move like that. No brakes, no cap, I'm built to last. She want one more round, I told her bet fast. Don't sleep till sunrise, ride with me. Lights down low, move silently. Girl, you got
We got crawfish, we got some minnows.
As we go with Mom.
And random things.
Hurry.
But we're about to go put them back into
Hurry,
the
she has more food.
Yeah, but I want the pet.
You have to go to a pet store if you want a pet fish.
Wait, Drew.
I want the pet lobster.
There's a crawfish in there.
No, it's a lobster.
Oh, it's a lobster.
She went.
I want to keep the lobster still.
We're all going.
Oh, the lobster went.
I just,
Are you excited for zip lining?
No, I'm nervous. Scared.
Oh, we'll get annoyed. Like, why did you say that?
Are you excited for zip lining?
I'm scared. Hi there.
I'm scared, but excited. Live long and prosper.
3, 2, 1, go!
See you down there. Happy birthday, Christian.
Oh, it's your birthday? That's the third birthday I've seen today. Alright, you look down for me, buddy? You ain't gonna let a 10-year-old little girl beat you, are you?
How old did you turn, Christian?
11.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, if you get stuck, it's his fault.
All right, Bella. What are you thinking about right now? Is your heart racing?
Not stop. Like, not get stuck.
Not get stuck. Patrick, what about you, Patrick?
I don't know, I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you.
Mark?
Ready?
You ready?
Send it.
Is your heart racing, Jen?
Well, what if I'm like... what if I pass
Do
out?
not send lines your day.
All right.
Hit it.
Go, Mondo.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, Patrick. Enjoy it.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right. Wow. All right. We just rode the zip line. Just had an adrenaline rush. Oh man, that was so cool. That was fun.
Oh yeah.
That was fun.
That was fun.
No, full speed. That was fun.
That was legitness.
Don't let go. Go back. Don't let go. Go back. Good job, Esme. Good job. Look, Tito, Esme's driving.
Yes.
I'm gonna say like forever.
Like forever?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. You want to go back home already?
No.
No. You want to go back home? Heck to the no. What was your favorite this weekend?
Cool.
The pools.